What's going on, guys? South County Scratcher is here with you all today. We've got this beauty, the Cash Explosion full book, guys. Full book, $30 tickets, $600 value. Book number here, 158. Here, I'm trying to not have it be in a shadow. 158774. There's ticket 19, 158774. It is completely closed, guys. I am going to open it. Maybe. There we go. Alright, so first time opening on camera, just so you guys can see everything. It is sliding out of the plastic, and we've got it. So, this beautiful ticket. This is our raffle book, guys. 20 tickets. There were 20 spots. So I have every single spot full. Had the money. Went out and bought it today from the gas station right by the house. And I will be scratching this tonight. Tonight is Friday. You guys might see this video on Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure how I'm going to put all these up. Just kind of depending on the time that I have. But I did want to show you guys me opening this. That all the tickets are here. And the pack number 158774 still on both sides. So I am going to separate these tickets, guys. I'm going to scratch these winning numbers off up top so the video goes a little smoother for us. I don't know if smoother is even a word, but it is today. Alright, guys, I will be right back. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? I am back. Have no fear. Alright, I've got all of these separated. All of them are in numerical order, 000 all the way up to 19. Just to show that book number, guys, 158774. And here, I'm going to put the scratch tool down. All the way through. So, if you need verification other than that, I can send you pictures, whatever you need me to. But they're all here, I promise. I just went through all of them, scratched the winning numbers off. That way we don't have to on the video here. Makes it a lot easier for you guys to sit through and watch. So, this is the list. Now, this is the $30 raffle book, guys. Trying to get this without the reflecting. Sorry. Yeah, that's not going to happen. All right, you're just going to have to bear with me on that one. Chris Canala. I apologize if I am pronouncing your name wrong. Riley, Darlene, Scott, Brad, Aaron has 2, Donna G has 1, and then Miles. Mr. Miles, you bought all of the spots. You have 11 spots, buddy. So, you know, the majority of this book is yours, technically. But that doesn't necessarily mean he's going to win, guys. So, you know, he's got 11 spots, but it's still a 1 out of 20 shot for all of you. So let me get going here, guys. We've got 000. That's what we're going to start with. We're going to put those to the side. Once we are done here, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some pieces of paper, and I'm going to cut all of them up with everybody's name on it. I'm going to put them all inside of a metal container, everything on camera, just so you guys can see everything. I do not want anyone saying that this was rigged in any way, shape, or form. I just want to be as transparent as I can. So we're going to do that at the end. Once I am done here scratching all of these, I will then cut the video and you know, get everything together and ready, and then make a new video. I'll edit everything together, and then the video will look all nice and pretty for all of you guys. So let's get going with ticket 000, guys. The rules here are simple. It's a matching numbers game. If we get that little dollar bill, we win the prize automatically. 2x is 2 times the prize. 10x is 10 times the prize. That star down, if I can talk, the star, see, I didn't call it the gold star, that's why I messed up. The gold star down there, $500, and that cash symbol is all 30 prizes. So, odds are same as the golden ticket here, 1 in 2.82. Let's see if we can get a big win. Let's see if we can get a profit book for our first ever raffle book. I'm just going to stop talking. Look at that. We've got a 19 off the bat. Do we have a 58? No, we don't. No 53, 14, and 48. All right, so let's do that. Small zeros. All right, let's keep going. Anything in here? 3, no. 45, 27, 30. No and no. 51. I see a 51. So that is 2 matches. Alright, let's keep on trucking here. 25. 12. No. 38, 37. And 43. Nothing on that one, just the 2 so far. 8, 47. 13 and 9. 44. No 44 either. Bottom 2. Really hoping we don't get a third, because then that leaves the possibilities open for something more than 30. No 59 or 4. 22 I don't see. 24. And 56. Alright, bottom row. 54. I see that 50 at the end. Dang it. 35, no. 21. And 54. Okay. Yeah, it looks, guys, just the 3 with small zeros is a 100% $30 prize. So, right off the bat, guys, 000, we've got a winner. 30 bucks. I will set that over, and we are going to mark these because that was such a great idea last time. 30. Alright, so ticket 000 is a win. Start off the video the right way, and on to ticket number 1. Alright, let's see if we can get back-to-back winners. I'm going to scratch the whole thing off, then we can look at it all together. Nothing. Alright, so here we go. Brush away all that nasty stuff. Alright, guys, here is the ticket. Let us look together to see if we can find something. 4, 45, 48. None of those. How about 25 and 46? No and no. 41, 12, 26. No 41, no 12, and no 26. 16 and 8. No 8 for sure. Alright, no 16 either, guys. Ticket number 1 is a BFL. It's a big fat loser. On to now, ticket number 2. Alright, ticket number 2. There are the winning numbers, guys. Here, I liked that way a little better, because then you get to see everything and you don't have to stop and look at one row at a time. It would really be awesome to find that cash symbol, because I have not seen that at all yet. And you know what's really funny? I don't think I've seen anything other than that auto win on this ticket. Come to think of it. The books that we've done, I don't think we've got our $100 winner with a multiplier. So I could be wrong. It's been a long day. Alright, let's see. 21, 39, 8, and 58. No 39, no 8, and no 58. Alright, 34, 54. No and no. 20, 11, 55, and 43. Alright, no win on that one, so we'll put that over here in the loser. Give me 1 second, guys. Pulling my chair up here. I need to find a better way to do this. Being on my feet for an hour in one place kind of sucks. Even though I work on my feet all day, it's just nice to sit down. Alright, ticket number 3. We had a $30 break even on ticket 000. And 1 and 2 have both lost. So let's see if we can get the winning coming back. Got one winner so far. Odds on the ticket say we're going to find 7. And if we find 8, we know we are in the profit. At least that's how it is for the $30 tickets. All right, 22. No 22. No 19. We have a 9. 55, 44. 3, 8. No and no. 57, 37, 17. And of course, we get 7, 27, and 47. Number 20. No 20 either. All right. So that is a loser. On to ticket number 4. See if we can get something here. Let's try it this way. 1, 30. 32, 26. 31. Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah, we're just going to do it this way. I really do need a new setup for this because it's on my kitchen table, which is very tall, and my tripod is tall, so it works, but it's kind of uncomfortable. Alright, clear this bad boy off. See if we've got a winner. Alright. No 54. 1246. 19, 14, 21. None of those. 39, 41. And 50 and 60. I don't see. Alright, well, looks like number 4 is a loser as well. Good lord. 4 losers in a row. Looks like this is a backloaded book. Alright, here's ticket number 5. This is our 6th ticket we have played. And out of the 5 we have already played, 1 has won, and 4 have lost. Let's hope we can make this a winner and not add to the loser pile. Alright, nothing there. Alright, no symbols. I am really looking forward to seeing something at least. Let my $500 luck rub off on this book. Alright, 20. I do not see. 31, 39. No and no. 52, 24. 24. No, 24. We have 23 and 25 at the bottom. Alright, 36, 42. No 36. No 42. And of course at the bottom, 41 and 43. That is hilarious. And 44 above it. Alright, 46 we did. 58 and 55. Ouch. Nothing, guys. Good lord. Alright, well, that is 5 in a row that is lost. I'm almost willing to bet money that this one will be our winner. Because I've seen 5 in a row lose. I mean, hell, I've seen 9 in a row lose too. But let's hope that is not the case. Feeling that 10x. Feeling like that's going to come around. Maybe not on this ticket, but I'm hoping in the book. Alright. Nothing. No symbols, at least. Alright, let's see if we can get something. No 8. 32. I don't see a 32. No 1. 23 and 50. I've got a 50. Look at us. Alright, no 23. I don't believe. Alright, 53, 44. No 53. No 44. 52. Got a 51. But no 52 and 35 and 4. I don't see a 4. How about 35? Alright, well, looks to be that 50 over here, guys, is the lonesome winner for, hey, 50 bucks. 50 for 50. Alright, look at us. Good stuff. Alright. So let me get this 50. Alright, so ticket 000 and 6. Good lord, man. 5 tickets in between. Alright, now this is where we're probably going to see some back-to-back winners, or at least hopefully. Get it all in frame here. Alright. No symbols yet. And no symbols at all. We are symbol-less. You know what, I don't know. Let me see. Nope. No symbols on the first one either. But hey, both tickets won with the number 50. So I see a pattern. Alright, number 6 I don't see. 51 I don't see. 13, 58, 48. No 58 or 48. We've got a 38. Alright, 22, 43. No 22, no 43. Alright, 33, 32, and 55. 33, 32, no and no, and 55. No 55 either. Alright, well, ticket number 7 is a dud. We are on to ticket number 8, guys. Almost halfway through the book, and we've only got 2 winners. Alright, something does not add up. Alright. Let's see if we can break that no symbol streak. And this ticket's been really awful for symbols lately. Nothing there. 16, 46, 55, 44, 40. Alright, no symbols. Alright, so let's see what we can find. Number 48. No 48. 13, 54. No 13 or 54. 42, 34. No 42, no 34. I see a 24, but no 34. 58, 49. No 49 either. 36, 23. No and no. And then last but not least, 38. We've got a 39. No 38. All right. Ticket number 8. Nay. On to ticket number 9. I'm feeling this one to be a winner. Let's see. And they're going to start popping up like nobody's business. Because we are almost halfway through. We have a lot of the losers out of the way. No symbol. 22, 33, 16, 12. Nothing. Good God. Alright. Let us look. Number 6. No. 36, 56, 26. None of those. 37, 53. No 37. About 53. No 53 either. Alright. 27, 25. 42 and 41. Nothing. At least I don't think so. Yeah, I'm definitely going to scan all these whenever I'm done. I'm pretty sure I'm not missing anything, but I mean, I guess I'll get all this nasty stuff off of here. I guess at the very, very end, we will figure it out if I'm missing anything or not. If the total doesn't add up, I'm definitely going to go through and scan, but you never know. Alright, so there are, I said there or here, whichever one you want, are the winning numbers. So let's do, no, we're not doing prizes just yet. We'll save that for the end. No 51, 22, 48, 46, 9. Yeah, I definitely like the other way better. Let's do that. Anything at all. Nothing at all. Alright. Is it too much to ask just for like one symbol? I don't care which one it is. Alright, so here are the winning numbers. Let's see. We have 3, 4, and 5 up top. And 6 at the bottom. Alright, 14 and 16. 14, 16, they give us 15 and 17. Okay. 41, 34, no 41. About 34, no 34 either. 39, 37. Jesus. Damn. Okay. Man, this is hurting me to do. And you guys know me, I love when other people win, and alright. This is just not doing it for me. Alright, well, we have scratched 000 through 10. We have scratched 11 tickets, guys. We have 9 tickets left, and we have 2 winners, totaling $80. So hopefully, not hopefully, I mean, it will happen. It's just, I don't know where they are. So 6 was our last winner, and now we are on ticket number 11. Let's do some prizes first. A couple 60s, 30s. And there's a 10. I'm going to guess this is either a 40 and a 10 or a 50 and a 10. Alright, let's scratch this 10, see if we've got it. We do. Alright, so just the 110. Let's see. I'm going to say we've had a 30 and a 50. I'm going to guess this one right here. I'm going to guess I'm wrong. Alright. It can't be 70. Could be 40. 33. No. Number 9. No. 6. Hey, there we go. We've got the number 6. Alright, so there is a 40-50. And let me scratch everything else off just so you guys can see. This thing doesn't eat the ticket first. Alright. The pile of dust I get is incredible. Alright, so here it is, guys. I know that it is 50. If we get that 10 and the $50 prize, I mean, I'm sure I scratched most of the 50s off, so I don't think it could be 100. But here it is, guys. If you want to pause it, go ahead. If not, I'm taking it away. Alright, get through this as quickly as possible. This was $50. And that is kind of weird too, because we have two $50 prizes. I don't know how accurate that is. We don't have the other 38. And we don't have the 9, so it's not 100. Huh. Alright, well, there it is. If I don't throw my pen. Alright, 130 back so far. And we have 3 winners. Ticket number 12, guys. Let's get to scratching. Do this the normal way. And still, I might add, no symbol. Just numbers. But hey, a win's a win. Can't complain. 13, 20, 24, 19, and 4. Alright. Alright, guys, let's see. Number 3, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Nothing. Alright. 52, 37. No and no. 48, 53. No 48. And no 53. Alright, how about 40 or 28? No 40. And no 28. Alright, so put that over to the side. 131 back so far, guys. We have 13 through 19 to go, which means we have 7 tickets left, including this one. So out of these 7, 4 of them are supposed to be winners. That is incredible. Backloaded book if I have ever seen one. But I can't speak yet. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Because you guys have seen, every single ticket in the front is not scanned. And for those of you not in Missouri, those of you who have not watched my videos, those of you who have never played a Missouri ticket, I will put this to rest right now. Don't get me wrong, guys. I love all of you, but there are a couple of you who just hate on people for no reason. And I will address it really quickly, and then we're going to let it go. So, a lot of people think that the tickets that I have for other people that are not my money, or hell, even my money. I'm really shocked at why they would think that. But anyway, I digress. See, I'm getting upset now. I'm not even able to think straight. People think that I scan these beforehand and understand, not understand, just know what they already make if they win. I don't. There is a white barcode right here. Right here. Right there. I do not know what these win unless those are scratched. Now, there are other states people have brought to my attention that you can scan, I guess, on the back, something that you don't need to scratch. If that is the case, I do not know about it. It's not here in Missouri, nor will I ever do anything like that to anybody, period. But still, just wanted to lay it to rest. I have no idea. Not here to take your money. I'm just doing this for fun. So if you hate on me for no reason, the subscribe button is there for people whenever they get here. It's also here for you if you want to leave. So I don't mean to be rude. It just really gets to me, and just wanted to throw it out there. So let's get back to this, guys. Let's see if we can get number 13 to be a winner. Let's see. Number 20, no. 33, no. 25, 52. No 25 or 52. No number 1. 38, 16. No and no. 46, 42. And last but not least, 29. We've got 39, but no 29. Okay. Alright, so ticket number 13 is a bust as well. Ticket number 11 is the last one we have 1 on. So we have 3. We're supposed to find 4 more winners, guys. Hell, you never know. I've seen 5 of these win in a row. So let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so including this ticket, we have 6 tickets left, guys. Out of these 6, we are supposed to get 4. We could get 5 for a profit book, which means only one of these is going to lose. So, without further ado, let's find out. Can this be the weirdest profit book ever? Maybe if I can scratch it right. Alright. No symbols. Again. I'm going to call this the symbol-less ticket. Alright, let's see if we can match something. Make this be one of our winners. Alright, no 7 or 21. 35, 16, and 9. No 35, no 16, and no 9. We have 19, 55, and 15. No 15, and no 55. 32, 52, and 47. So 32, 52, no 32 or 52. And 47. Okay, so if my eyes are correct on all of these losers, Jesus, we have 3 winners and a giant pile of losers. Okay, so if we have those 3 winners and there's nothing that I missed, and if we want a profit session, profit book, every single one of these has to be a winner. So let's see if we can do it. Let me push my chair out of the way. I'm standing up for this one, guys. I know, feel special. Ticket 15. Let's do this. See what we can come up with. 19, 25, 53, 29, 13. No. 6, 46. Number 5, 26, and 51. $44. There we go. We've got a win, guys. 38. No 38, 39, 16, and 57. Alright, so the 44 is our winner so far. See if we can get anything to help it along here. Alright. 28, no 28, no 11, 56, 52. Number 4. No 3, no 58. 14, 23. 55. 45 and 8. 21, 47, and 30. All right, guys, we have that single match 44. Any prizes that are not dead obvious from here on in the book, just because it depends if we get a profit session or not, I'm going to put this to the side. And we're going to keep scratching. And whenever we get a win, if we get one of these to be a loser, then I'll bring it back and I'll scratch it. But if we win on every one of these, I don't want the surprise to be spoiled as far as what we are going to come out with. Alright. No symbols. Hey, there we go. 10x, guys. What did I say? Called it for the book. Hey, there's that 60. Beautiful. First 10x I have found on this ticket. Feels good. All right, that's going to the side, guys. On to ticket 17. Like I said, if we can get every one of these to be a winner, I am pulling them to the side. Nothing. At least no symbols. 20, 56, 42, 23, 31. Alright, so 12, 11, no 12 or 11, 59 and 3, no 59, no 3 either, 32 and 7, no 32 or 7, 24, 17, no 17. Do we have a 24? No 24. Number 6. No 6. How about 47 to save us? 37. Alright, guys. Looks like this is a dud. Unfortunately, which only means the last two are winners. And we have ourselves possibly... I don't want to say a standard book because, oh, here, let's, you know, we're already here. We're going to say all the winners for the end. Alright, so it's going to be 7 winners, or at least should be. And there's a 60. So the 7 winners, usually 340 to 360. There's a winner. Alright. But I have seen more than 360. I've seen in the 4 range, in the 5 range. Never seen a profit book with only 7 winners, though. So I'm just... I would really love to be proved wrong, but you never know. Alright, so I see a 49 right off the bat in the middle. Okay, let's do that. And the auto win. How about a 48? No 48. Number 9, I don't see. 15, 24. No 15 or 24. I don't think. Okay, neither one of those. 47, 53. Here's a 47. How about 53? No 53. 22, 19, and 11. I don't see a 22, a 19, or an 11. Alright, well, let me just scratch this because this is going to be 30. Where the hell did the other one go? There it is. Alright, So there's 30. Yeah, great handwriting, right? Try not to scratch my table with this in my hand. Okay, on to ticket number 19, guys. Alright, let's see. This is going to be a winner, but it's always fun to see how much. And at least we got some symbols. At least we have a 10x that I have not uncovered on this ticket yet. That is neat. Alright. I do not think any symbols on this one. See where it wins. 46 and 47. Neither one. 33, 43. No 33. No 43. 34 and 44. No and no. 26 and 59. No 26. No 59. $11 and $37. That can't be right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that can't be right at all. Alright, well, we have come pretty far in this book here, guys. 40 minutes in. I don't see a win on that one. I'm going to scan these guys. Let's reveal these. So let's see. We've got 160 back so far. Let's see what tickets 15 and 16. We'll do the single match first. 44. 40. Alright, so that's 200. Set that over in... Oh. Hold that with that one. $40 winner, so that $200. And we know if this is 10 times 10, then we're missing something. Alright, so let's zoom all the way in here, guys. 10 times the prize. Small zeros for... Yeah, 10 times 10. Alright, well that's 100. So that's 300. Alright, we're missing something. Let me... That's our big winner of the pack. Yeah, we are missing something in there. Let me go through here, guys, and scan these. I will be right back. Alright, guys, we are back. We have found more than one, more than two, probably 3 or 4 different mistakes that I have made. Apparently today is just not my day. So, this one, the 50 for 50, we actually had another $10 winner, 4 spots over. That is incredible that I missed the number 4 spots over, but hey, that adds $10 to our pot then. And then we also missed a 49 up top on this $30 winner to make it a $40 winner. And I have this piece of paper here just because I am covering up the barcode because I did scan them. And then, you know, this is not my money, so I don't want to reveal those barcodes on the video. And my luck, have somebody scan it without me being able to do so first. So that's saying just in case I don't cash these in before this video goes up, but you never know. So this one is the one that we missed, guys. This is ticket number 4. I'm going to show you here. There's that. Ticket number 4. $30 winner. So we have the number 12, matching 12, $30. All right, so all in all, guys, let me bring this to the side, put the paper over there, and I'm going to do these backwards because I wrote the prize amount on the back. So we have 30, 40 is 70, 60 is 130, 170, 220, 250, 350. $350, guys. Normally the books win $340 to $360, but I have scanned every single ticket twice, and done the math more times than you know. There's actually about a half-hour difference between these videos. It's all edited together, so it looks like it's right here, right now. But trust me, I looked all of this up and down, especially when stuff doesn't make sense when it's not my money. So $350 won back in this book. There are 7 winners, so that makes sense. I also have the pieces of paper. I'm going to try and get these over here as, yeah, I was going to say as neatly as possible, but that really didn't work. All right, so all of these pieces of paper, I tried to make these the same size as all the other ones. That way there's no advantage. No one can say, hey, this was rigged. You were looking for this, this, or that. I also have a plastic see-through container that you will watch me put every one of these in. I don't want there to be any room for error. So let's move all of this out of the way. All right. Scott and Darlene over here. All right, guys, there are all the names. You can pause this video right here if you need to, if I don't stay on this for as long as you need. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19, and 20. 20 names, 20 spots in the book, guys. Each of you paid $30 per spot. Miles has 11 spots. That is why his name is on 11 pieces of paper. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to leave this all in front of you guys. I was going to fold these up off camera, but this way you guys can see that these are as even as possible. And I have my Tupperware here that we are going to scoot this over while everything is still in frame. I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put each name inside of this Tupperware. Aaron. And it might be a little, tedious process, but you know what? I am not going to have anyone say, oh, you knew who won. No, I did not. And actually, guys, we are going to fold these twice because they are kind of see-through, and you can see the names if they are not. I would never look, and I would never cheat anyone out of money, but there are enough haters on this channel and in the world that I cover all of my bases as much as possible. So, give me just a second, guys. You can skip ahead if you trust me, which I'm sure a lot of you do, but just in case, you can watch the whole thing, watch me in frame, fold everybody's name up, and try and find something to talk about for the next 3 minutes while I do this. Alright. Here, folding, we have Donna. Like I said, it is getting folded twice, guys. And there is nothing out of the ordinary for any of these. That way, maybe if I can pick them all up. I do not want anything folded a wrong way, a different way. And you know what? If there is still someone out there that says, oh, I cheated someone out of their money, if you are not in the book, worry about yourself. Second of all, if you're in the book and you think I cheated someone out of their money, don't give a completely random stranger money and expect anything different than what they do. I don't know how to say that, but you know what I'm trying to say. If you're that weird about your money and, if I am over here thousands of miles away from you, cheating you out of $30, I think you don't need to give your money to strangers. Okay, so we are about halfway done. Thanks for bearing with me, everybody. Folding everybody up 2 times. I wonder how many times I can say we're folding all the names up twice. Probably enough times to get you through these awful 3 minutes of me doing this. And that's just a total guess, by the way. I have no idea how long this is going to take. But we've got everybody here. And you can go back, pause everything where you need to, and find out that I am indeed a decent human being who does not steal people's money. Five more. I'm getting pretty good at this now. Alright, 3 after this. As soon as I say I'm getting good at it. This one takes me the longest to do. Alright. Oh god. Oh god. Have no fear, guys. They're both still here. I love being that guy. Alright. Last but not least, the last Miles. And again, guys, I could do the automatic name generator on, YouTube comments, whatever it may be. I just really don't feel like doing that, and I feel like a see-through Tupperware container is a lot better of an option. And you see every name in here getting tumbled and tumbled and tumbled again. Alright. Now it has stopped. You cannot see any of the names. And I'm gonna put them all in the corner. That way, whatever I grab. Right here. Guys, this is the name that is going to win all 350 of these dollars. And the winner is... if I can open the darn thing. Miles C. Congratulations, buddy. You had pretty good logic of buying more than half of the book. And it paid off for you, buddy. You bought 11 spots, $330. You made $350, so technically you made a profit. All right, guys. Miles, congratulations, buddy. There is your name, along with every other name. They're all here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10... 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, number 20. All right, buddy. Miles, congratulations, man. I will get a hold of you here very shortly. I will send you an email, let you know what you won. And you guys should be seeing this video either Saturday, Sunday, somewhere in that time zone. I forgot about the other video that I had on here, and then the video of the $100 session that we just did. Not really sure when all these are going up, but you will see them periodically throughout the next couple days. So thanks, guys. I appreciate you all. Sorry for such a long video. This was so awesome to do, and I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. All right, guys, have a great night, and I will see you soon.